let's continue. I've already spoken about this, so we don't need to spend too much time on this. These long candle wicks, notice that the trend is down. The major key level in this instance is this here. You want to use this as a level for sure, but you're not taking this as a cluster, okay? You're working with clean structure. This lower high is what created this lower low. This structure here in the market becomes your major level, and then price comes back to this level for a double top, or price creates a level. And if the market gives you a fake out with these wick rejections, you can look to sell the market with these long wick fake outs. Okay, this continues to confirm for you a brick wall in the market, and that the chances of price continuing up is very low once you get these wick rejections, and you can look to sell it. This is pretty simple. Does this make sense, everyone? Okay, perfect.
Hey, Rox.
Yes.
So that's not a perfect retest?
You guys stuck on that word perfect. I should never use the word perfect. A perfect,
well, okay.
A perfect break and retest is the market coming back to a key level and then perfectly retesting it. Meaning like here, if price starts doing this, this level becomes invalid. This one here. Let me just make it very clear. It's very, very unlikely you're going to find perfect break and retest trades in any situation, any strategy you're learning. Very unlikely. So just be wary that they exist and they are powerful, but just always be prepared that you may have to slightly have a different variant to that break and retest. And the way you can,
I guess what my question is that if I'm allowed to do this, like, wow, that was horrible. But is it retesting that level? Is that like, can I look at it as it retesting that level?
No. Remember I
okay.
said, so good question then to answer you. This is the push, this is the pullback, and this is the structure that created this. This is nothing. This is just a pause in the market. The market is doing nothing. So this level doesn't become existent. The perfect break and retest would be here, but the market pulls back here and continues. But remember, once the market creates this push and this, there's no such thing as a perfect break and retest anymore.
Got it.
If the market breaks and comes back now, it's a perfect break and retest. If the market does this, it's not a perfect break and retest. It becomes invalid. And you'll find Matthew taking perfect break and retest trades a lot. Okay? You're not looking for double.
Thank you.
Yeah, fine. You're not looking for double tops in this area at all. You're only looking for price to come back to this level. You will get stung selling this. Okay? You will get stung.
Sorry, Rox, can I just ask a quick question on this one? So
Yeah.
if on the little area to the left, if that was once upon a time the lower low, pulled up to make the lower high, you didn't get the perfect break and retest because of all the nonsense down at the bottom.
Yep.
When it comes back up at this point here, are you looking for the new double top, because that is still a key area of being a previous low?
Yeah.
Okay,
So,
cool. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. I think I was just confusing myself a bit with it, but that's cool.
Yeah. So Winky and Anrag are saying that they're confused, and I'm going to be honest, I don't blame you. Trading the 1 minute time frame is not for everyone. And to be brutally honest with you, I haven't seen either of you two in the 1 minute time frame, so I didn't expect you to understand this. And for a lot of you here, I didn't expect you to understand this. Okay? The 1 minute time frame is not for the faint-hearted. It is a time frame that requires experience and patience. I did not create this for beginners or people that are still learning the other strategy. I created this for those that are truly interested in scalping. So for you two to be confused, just understand it's natural for sure. and it probably is best that you stick with the higher time frames for now until you're prepared or ready or want to or have, you know, a desire to learn the scalping strategy. Okay. Yeah. And I said in the beginning, us mentors back tested this for 3 weeks straight and we were confused. So Winky and Arang, if you're confused, I understand. I sympathize with you for sure. Moving on. Yeah, and please, everyone, don't expect to get this after one session. Yeah.
On the last slide, it's wrong to think that we can see 3 double bottom.
A triple bottom here.
Yes.
1000%.
Okay.
Don't get discouraged because you see this.
Yes.
No, but don't get discouraged. And this is what you all need to understand. Just because I said triple tops and triple bottoms are amazing, it doesn't mean you're going to win every trade.
Yes.
Well, you're all going to find out for yourselves, okay? Don't get discouraged. You're not going to win every trade, okay? You have to go and back test this. If I've been trading for 7 years and the other mentors for 4 years, and then another one for 3 years, and another one for 1 year, and another one for 4 years, another one for 1 year, and we bring 20, 25 years worth of, even more actually, 25 to 30 years of experience trading. It might not be that much, but it's thereabouts. And it took us, with the experience, consistency, discipline, patience, and everything else that we have gone through in terms of our trading career and over that period of time, 3 weeks to actually find our own way with this approach and systemize it, if that's even a word, and find our own plans for how we're going to trade it. Then why would you expect yourselves who are not even aware that the 1 minute time frame exists to get this straight away? Okay, manage your expectations. Don't expect to come off this and be like, yeah, what do you do? I'm going to make hella money. It doesn't work like that. For some it will, for some it won't. It's just going to be like anything you're learning. So, I mean, I didn't want to have to say that during this session, but I'm sure you all know it. And I've said in the beginning, just manage your expectations. You probably have to watch this 2 or 3 times. Invest 9 hours to do so. If you learn something and you know how to do it, then it'll be worth your time. Moving on.